On this video, we'll be replacing the LCD digitizer on the LG Stylo LS770 version of the phone. You'll see that there's 11 screws on the back housing of the phone. Make sure to remove the stylus and the SIM card before removing the cover. You'll be able to slide your pry tool between the frame of the phone and the LCD of the phone to unclip the housing, kind of like Lego blocks. We found out it's a lot easier to remove the housing by the bottom charger port of the phone. All you will have to do is unplug the LCD digitizer and the logic board will just pop right off. So we'll slide our blade underneath the screen and the frame of the phone so that we can remove the cracked glass. The screen comes off relatively easily. Make sure to remove any leftover adhesive or glass, or the replacement screen will not sit properly. Finally, we're going to apply adhesive around the frame of the phone. Don't forget to reinstall the ear mesh. So this repair was a really simple repair. We bought the screen off of eBay for around $100. The phone retails for just around $300 on T-Mobile. Once the screen price comes down a little bit, it will probably be a repair that we'll see more often. If you find this video useful, informative, or if we've left something out, feel free to leave a comment, like the video, or even subscribe to our channel for support.